Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Noima Amirul Berosmi. My matric number TF19020 in section 1. And my partner name Tan Ziaji, matric number TF19015 section 1. And the name of the lecturer Sir Osmadi bin Abdullah, I Doctor. I will present and tell a little about IEEE test standard test procedure for antennas. For the introduction of antennas, standard antenna is assumed that the antenna to be measured can be treated as a passive linear and reciprocal device. Therefore, its radiational properties can be measured in either the transmitting or the receive mode. An antenna is used to radiate electromagnetic energy efficiency and in desired direction. Antennas act as matching system between source of electromagnetic energy and space. The goal in using antennas is to optimize this matching. Meaning antenna. An antenna is an electrical device which converts electric energy into radio wave and vice versa. It is usually used with a radio transmitter or radio receiver. An antenna is a device for sending or receiving electromagnetic wave. Type of antenna. Antenna have four types. One dipole antenna. The dipole is one of the most common antenna. It consists for a straight conductor assisted by a voltage from a transmission liner or a waveguide. Dipole are easy to make. This is a figure for dipole antenna. Loop antenna. A loop of wire with a magneton is used to radiate or receive electromagnetic energy. Third, reflector antenna. The parabolic reflector is a good example of reflector at microwave frequency. In the past, parabolic reflector were used mainly in space application, but today they are very popular and are used by almost everyone who wishes to receive the large number of television channels transmitted all over the globe. For array antennas, a grouping of similar or different antenna from an array antenna. The control of phase shift from element to element is used to scan electronically the direction of radiation.
A very good day to Sir and my lovely friends. Today, I'm going to have to share videos about IEEE standard test procedures for antennas. I'm Tanzanje, ID TF19015. My partner, Ayman Amirul. So my part is to briefing about testing procedures. So for testing procedures currently exist, foremost specifications of test cases to exist applied to one or more target program modules. So test procedures currently are executables. A process called the verifier applies a test procedures to its target modules in addition to produce an exceptions reports indicating which test cases, if any, failed. So throughout this standard, it is assumed that the antennas to be measured can be treated as a passive, linear, and reciprocal device. Therefore, its radiation property can be measured in either the transmitting or the receiving mode. Many of the test procedures described can, however, be adapted for use in the measurements of antenna systems containing circuit element that may be active, nonlinear, or non-reciprocals. For these cases, this is not a simple relationship between the antenna system transmitting and receiving the properties. However, therefore, the measurements shall be performed for the mode or modes in which the antenna system has been designed to be used. Thank you, and I will pass to my partner.
For the conclusion, the telecommunication field has grown and developed into the most important tool for communication, and antenna has become one among the main medium for transmitting and receiving information. So the consideration for the design of antenna should compatible for many applications, with the reduced size of antenna become the first consideration for application. That's all from me. Thank you.